Have you been looking for an affordable, new construction, four-sided brick home in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of this new construction home. It's a 1602 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. And this neighborhood is about 7 miles from downtown Greenville. If you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the Greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you as well. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All of our contact information are in the description box below. All right, let's check out the 1602 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. All right, like I said, this neighborhood is about 7 miles from downtown Greenville. It's close to Simpsonville as well. This particular home is available for sale. Right now, the list price on this home is just a little over $339,000. There is another one, a couple more of this 1602 floor plan that are available in the community right now. Okay, there are no other lots left in this neighborhood, so once Adams Homes sells off the currently available inventory, they'll be closed out for this neighborhood. Okay. It's a four-sided brick home. They do have sidewalks in the community, and as you can see, the garage doors are, not the typical white garage, white trims, so it's a little bit different. And 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Front porch here. As you come into the home, nice small foyer here. And it's got the crown molding, luxury vinyl plank in the living areas, and then the bedrooms have carpet. All right, so to the left here, nice little touch here, having the window, let in some natural light so it's not so dark in this area. Bathroom here, so that's your second bath, and one of the bedrooms here. So bedroom number 1, closet. And as you can see, it does have carpet in here. And bedroom number 2. Check out the closet in this one. Okay. All right. And ceiling fan, really high ceilings here. We'll check out the primary bedroom while we're on this side. Tray ceiling in the primary bedroom here, and walk-in closet. And then over here, you got the ensuite bathroom, and right here you have the water closet, double sinks, and you got the pull-outs drawers here, as well as these are soft close drawers, and the cabinets as well. Brushed nickel fixtures. Large shower there with a little bench. I think that's probably like 5-foot shower maybe, something like that. So you have a couple of different ways to get in on this side. So you've got the little dining room area over here, granite countertops. You got the little peninsula, so you can, if you wanted to, you could put a couple of bar stools here maybe. Single bowl sink. Again, you got the pull-out soft close drawers here and the soft close cabinets as well. The gas range, built-in microwave. And the microwaves, according to the rep here for Adams Homes, these are all piped to the outside. Not 100% sure how it must be inside of the wall, because there's nothing above the cabinets there, so it must go inside the wall and out. So subway tile backsplash there. Small pantry, closet, and laundry room here. And this takes you into the 2-car garage. The access to the attic is right up there. Water heater is right here. And I'm going to tell you about some incentives that they're offering on this home right now. So as you come out this way, you can go either way to get into this kitchen area. So you got coat closet here. Now, right now with this home, Adams Homes is offering some really great incentives for these homes, last few homes that they have left in here. All right, so they're currently offering interest rate up 4.99% interest rate, and that's a fixed rate interest rate for government loans. So if you're doing an FHA loan, VA loan, USDA, which this neighborhood is eligible for USDA 100% financing, you'll be able to get the 4.99% interest rate. If you are doing a conventional loan or you're paying cash, they are actually offering up to $20,000 that you can use as flex cash. So you can take it off the price or do a combination of off the price, or use part of it for your closing costs, or to buy down your interest rate as well. You know, if you're able to do that. Anyway, so the person that's getting the 4.99% for the government loans, you actually get the up to $7,000 in closing costs as well. Actually, the $20,000 person gets it up to $7,000 towards closing costs also. So really great incentives right now that they're offering here. And there is a special one that they're offering as well for a limited time. Depending on when you're viewing this video, it may not be available. So I'll let you know about that here shortly. All right, let's check out the outside. All right, so the blinds are built in to the door here, which is really cool to, you know, let in some natural light, you know, have that glass door. And nice size covered patio here. Pretty good size. And it looks like the neighbors putting the fence up. Decent sized lot here. Okay, that neighbor already has a fence. So if you bought this home, all you have to do is just ask your neighbors. Maybe they'll let you just connect to theirs and you just close it in. You already have 2 sides that have fence. Like I said, it's 4-sided brick, so you can see that there. All right, so, okay, so currently the builder is offering the special incentive, which is limited time incentive. In addition to everything that I just told you, you can do either blinds throughout the house or washer and dryer included in the house. So either blinds throughout the home, or you get washer and dryer included in the home. So, and that's just limited time, you know, for people that are, you know, are able to make a decision probably, you know, in the next week. So depending on when you're watching this, it may not be available, but if you're watching this and this house is still available, or one of the other ones, just let us know. We'll see what we can do to help you negotiate a really great deal on this property, okay? So if you are interested in this home, or if you know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or you can visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com, or you can scan that QR code to schedule a time to chat with me, all right? Look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.